In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take snapshot in Adobe Acrobat Reader tutorial. This is a quick way to capture just the part of a PDF you need, like a paragraph, an image, or a chart, and paste it into another document, email, or note without exporting the whole file. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Give the page a moment to fully render so everything looks crisp. If you know you'll be capturing a small detail, it helps to zoom in first. The snapshot captures exactly what you see on screen, so zooming can improve clarity. Next, let's access the Snapshot Tool. You can get there in one of two ways. In New Version, click the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Choose Undo, Redo, and More. And then select Take a Snapshot. In Old Version, use the Edit menu at the top and select Take a Snapshot. Either route opens the same tool, so use whichever you find faster on your setup. When the Snapshot tool is active, your cursor turns into a crosshair. Move to the area you want to capture. Click, hold, and drag to draw a rectangle around the content. Take a moment to frame it neatly. Anything inside the rectangle will be included, and anything outside will be ignored. If you need to try again, simply click elsewhere and drag a new rectangle until it looks right. For best results, align the box closely to the edges of the text or image and keep an eye on your zoom level so the captured content is sharp. As soon as you release the mouse, Acrobat Reader will confirm the capture with a dialog box, letting you know the selection has been copied to your clipboard. That means it's ready to paste immediately, no extra saving required. If you don't see the confirmation, repeat the selection to make sure the drag completed. Now switch to your destination. This could be a Word document, an email draft, a slide, a note app, anything that accepts pasted images. Click where you want the snapshot to appear and press Ctrl+V to paste. You can also use your app's paste command if you prefer. Keep in mind, the snapshot is an image. So while you can resize or move it, you can't edit the text directly. If it looks fuzzy, return to the PDF, zoom in further, and take the snapshot again for a higher quality result. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.